I see the comments and I'm tired of the bullying, okay? I'm gonna show y'all how to get my blonde brows. If you couldn't tell, I have my brows bleached, which puts me a step ahead of those who have dark brows. But don't worry, the steps are exactly the same. It just won't turn out as icy. The number one technique is to use concealer, and you really want a full coverage concealer. For those with lighter or bleached brows, get into using an eyelash primer. This is going to make the process a whole lot easier and faster. And if you want it a little lighter, you can add a white eye base to the mixture. Once the concealer is on the back of your hand, you want to dab the spoolie in just like this. And the most important part is you don't want to touch the skin. You want to make sure that you're only combing through the hair. If you have sparse hairs, take an angle brush and then you can just build a shape, okay? But keep a light hand because you don't want to look like you have just a stripe of concealer as a brow. You want it to look somewhat realistic. The next important step, my trick to making your blonde brows stand out even more, is to clean up with bronzer or a foundation that is darker than your skin tone. You don't want a lot of product on the brush. You just want to go right underneath and then drag it down very lightly. You do not want to have a harsh bronzer line. To clean up the top of the brow, for the non-makeup pros, I would recommend using your foundation. If you're a pro and you can do it, just take that bronzer and just clean up at the top too. And just like that, you got some blonde brows. Thank you so much for watching.